Hi friends, welcome to Neochem Study Circle. I am feeling very happy for meeting after a long time. Today our topic is isomerism. Actually, lot of students are known about the definition of isomerism only, but they don't know about the definition of isomerism briefly. So now I am going to discuss about the definition of isomerism briefly. So before discussing about the definition of isomerism, we should know that if any two substances act as isomers, they must have same molecular formula, right? Now let us take one example. For example, molecular formula C2H6O. C2H6O. This molecular formula resembles Cn H2n plus 2O, which refers to alcohols and ethers. That is, here alcohols and ethers are having same molecular formula. So alcohols and ethers exhibit isomerism. Now I will define the term of isomerism. So isomerism means the substances having same molecular formula but differ in their physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and this phenomenon is known as isomerism. So here in our example there are two carbon atoms. So alcohols and ethers containing two carbon atoms are, first of all I will write the molecular formula of alcohol containing two carbon atoms is CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, OH. It is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Next, ether containing two carbon atoms is CH3 single bond O single bond CH3. It is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. So thus we can write two types of substances with the same molecular formula, that is C2H6O. In the ethyl alcohol there are two carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom is there. In the dimethyl ether also two carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom is there. So ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ethers are having same molecular formula. That's why they should exhibit isomerism. As ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ethers are exhibiting isomerism, they should differ in their physical properties and chemical properties. So first of all, let us consider different physical properties of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. Okay, now we will discuss about the solubility as physical properties of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. In the solubility, commonly all the organic compounds are soluble in organic solvents like carbon disulfide, benzene, etc. Commonly all the organic compounds are soluble in organic solvents like carbon disulfide, benzene, naphtha, etc. etc. Although ethyl alcohol is a organic compound, it's soluble in aqueous solvents or polar solvent also. One condition is there: if an organic compound soluble in polar solvent, it should form hydrogen bond with water molecule. So here, if you take ethyl alcohol, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, OH, it is ethyl alcohol. In the ethyl alcohol, this hydrogen atom is directly attached to highly electronegatively oxygen atom. Commonly, all the hydrogen atoms cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule. That is, the hydrogen which is directly attached to highly electronegatively atoms, either fluorine or oxygen or chlorine or nitrogen, can only form hydrogen bond with water molecule. So in the ethyl alcohol, hydrogen atom is directly attached to highly electronegatively oxygen. That's why when ethyl alcohol is placed in the water, this is the water molecule, hydrogen atom of ethyl alcohol forms hydrogen bond with oxygen atom of the water molecule. This is the hydrogen bond formed between ethyl alcohol and water. Thus, as ethyl alcohol is forming hydrogen bond with water molecule, it is soluble in water. But in the dimethyl ether, there is no hydrogen atom with oxygen. That's why when dimethyl ether placed in the water, it does not form hydrogen bond with water molecule. So there is no hydrogen bond between dimethyl ether and water molecule. That's why dimethyl ether does not soluble in water. That is, dimethyl ether soluble in organic solvents only, but ethyl alcohol soluble in polar solvents, that is in the aqueous solvents. So here solubility of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether is different, because ethyl alcohol is soluble in polar solvents, dimethyl ether is soluble in organic solvents. So thus here solubility of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether is different. Okay, now this is the difference in the physical properties of the ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. Now let us consider chemical properties also. In the chemical properties, we will discuss about the nature of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. So here in the ethyl alcohol, as hydrogen atom is directly attached to highly electronegatively oxygen, it attracts sigma bonded electron of hydrogen atom towards itself. As a result, this hydrogen is released in the form of H plus ion. Thus, as ethyl alcohol is releasing H plus ion, it exhibits acidic character. Right? Ethyl alcohol is acid. Okay. Next, in the dimethyl ether, as there is no hydrogen atom with oxygen, it does not release H plus ions. That's why it does not exhibit acidic character. But here two lone pairs are there over the oxygen. That's why it can donate lone pair of electrons to others. What we know, according to the Lewis theory, electrons donating substances are active bases. That's why dimethyl ether behaves as base. So here ethyl alcohol is exhibiting acidic character and dimethyl ether is exhibiting basic character. So chemical properties of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ethers are different. Physical properties are different, chemical properties are also different, but same property is what? Only molecular formula is same. So thus ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ethers are having same molecular formula, but they are differ in their physical properties and chemical properties. That's why ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ethers are act as isomers. This is the definition of isomerism briefly. Okay, I will explain some more points in the next class. Thank you.